Update account tags. Sometimes, updating your account tags is necessary as clients progress through different stages. You can use the Update Account Tag automation to automatically apply or remove tags at any stage in the pipeline. Before updating, first decide which tags need to be applied or removed. For example, you can create new tags for clients who have completed the new client stage and require new specific tasks. Next, go to your pipeline editing page and select the stage where you want to apply or remove tags. Add the Update Account Tags automation. Then choose the tags to add under Add Account Tags or remove under Remove Account Tags. If you enable the Clear Existing Account Tags option, all previously applied tags for that account will be removed. Be mindful of the automation order within each stage, as they trigger sequentially from top to bottom. For example, in the Needs Extension stage, ensure the Update Account Tags automation is placed after the Create Task automation. If the order is wrong, such as having the Create Task automation run after updating tags, tasks won't be created since no accounts would have the extension needed tag. To rearrange automations, simply click on one, hover over the move icon, and drag it to the desired position. You can also choose whether to trigger automation when manually moving jobs between stages. When you want to move a job in the pipeline, a pop-up will appear, and you can unselect the automations you don't want to trigger. Additionally, you can modify tags or clear all tags by toggling Clear Account Tags here. That's it for updating account tags.